July 5, 2008. It was the 18th time that the price of gasoline and LPG has increased. Here is Laura's Rito reporting.
Companies that already started their price increase, such as Philippine National Petroleum Corporation, Eastern Petroleum, and Flying V. The increase in gasoline was tempered into 1 peso per liter, and the LPG or the liquefied petroleum gas was increased into 150 per kilogram. If the continuing price adjustment of 150 per liter or higher and sustained until the end of the year, there are forecasts that domestic gasoline prices may rise to as a 96 liter by December. Anticipated series of price hikes in the coming weeks will further drain the pocket of Filipino consumers as world crude prices hit the critical level.
National headline. Season was killed due to assassination. Nina reporting.
The International Federation of Journalists and the National Union of Journalists of the Philippines have condemned the killing Monday of another Filipino newsman. Quezon Province local radio host and newspaper correspondent Bert Season in Lucena City was shot dead by motorcycle riding assassins on June 30. Season's murder on tragic reminder that the Philippines continues to be one of the most dangerous countries in the world for practicing journalism, the FIJ said in the statement last Thursday. Season was correspondent of Regional Bulletin, a Quezon-based weekly. He also hosted the Weekly Arena program on Radio DZ80 AM in Lucena City. He was driving home with his two daughters, PYY and Almira, when two men on the motorcycle opened fire on his vehicle. The two daughters survived the attack, but PYY was reportedly shot in the arm. There are also news correspondents in Quezon.
Let's talk about sports. Basketball is one of the most popular activities here in the Philippines. Here is Jamie to give us some reports about basketball.
Adamson University, University of the East, Far Eastern University, National University, University of Santo Tomas, Ateneo de Manila University, De La Salle University, and the University of the Philippines. These popular universities is not all about brains, as the UAAP Season 71 heats up this 5th of July. Teams are waving up high their school names because this time it's where the real battle really starts. Last year, the De La Salle Green Archers emerged victorious against the UE Red Warriors, but could they still defend their title?
To all the shoppers and food lovers out there, here is Delaney, Jada, Dana, and Kia to guide you to where you can all find these clothes.
Welcome to Fashion Icon. I'm Kala. And I'm Greta. We will feature the latest and fanciest footwear in town. Did you know that Havaianas is the most adored footwear by almost every teenager here in town? Yeah, I also bought one for myself. But Jada, Havaianas out, Crocs in. Did you know that Crocs was founded last July 2000 in USA, Colorado? But because of its cross-like material, it has also been famous here in our country. This footwear is worth 1,500 to 3,500. You may think it's expensive, but no. Because this footwear is not only fashionable, but they are also comfortable. Now, we have universally accepted as an all-purpose shoe for comfort and fashion. And it was available up to 20 colors and variety of sizes. And Crocs is committed to buying products that are lightweight, comfortable, and fashionable. Grab your own Crocs Hi everyone! Now we're here to feature one of the best coffee shops here in Nagasaki. The Coffee Beanery! So Kaya, what are you waiting for? Let's try and visit their coffee. Sure, come on! Smells good! Yeah, anything with you. So, friends, try your delicacies to experience the coffee here in Coffee Beanery. Try it and you'll love it.